Alrighty, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to our room tour video. We're going to show you our room here on board the Carnival Ecstasy. Now, just a couple things. Since it's just me and it's a solo cruise, I booked the absolute cheapest cabin that I possibly could on this ship, what's called an upper and lower. So it's just got one little bed in it and then like a bunk that comes out of the wall if needed. So since it's just me, this is, like I said, the cheapest room on the ship. I'm down on deck 4, the Riviera deck, in room R54. So let's take a quick room tour. All right, so when you first come into the room, like I said, just a small little twin bed. That's all you get. There is a second bunk right here in the wall if you need one to pull down and kind of make like a bunk bed setup. But since it's just me, just one small bed. You got your TV here in the corner, little piece of art, and a chair. Of course, the door that you come in. We're going to swing around over here. Now, right here by the bed, you do have a light switch right here. Let's see what that controls. That turns on and off the main lights in the room. So once you're in bed, there is a small light there above your head. All right, here are your power options on board the ship. So it's got one 110 and one 220, but luckily it's got a little table right there to put your electronics. It does have a desk area here with a big mirror. You have your drawers down here, and your cabinet is over here on this side. So we'll open this up real quick. Got your life jackets on top. You got a place to hang some clothes and some shelves on this side. And then here at the end, you also have another little small area. There's some extra pillows in here, probably for the other bunk. And then we're going to come in here to the bathroom. Got your towels, some towel racks. We'll swing around. You got your sink. And of course, you got your shower with your soap and shower gel there on the wall. A little small little bathroom. Like I said, it is just me. The one thing I'm sure I noticed right away, and everybody else may have noticed, there is, again, no refrigerator. All right, so there you go. Like I said, a super small room, cheapest room on the ship. It's just going to be me, so I'm not super worried about it. Of course, this is the second cruise in a row that I've managed to get a room without a refrigerator, which I guess kind of defeated the purpose of I pre-ordered some drinks to my room, but if I don't have a refrigerator to keep them cold in, I guess I can ask the room steward to always just bring me some ice, keep an ice bucket filled. It's probably what I'm going to end up having to do, just so I can have something cold to drink. So if you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button for me. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. That way you can keep up with all of our cruising videos, everything that's going on here on the Carnival Ecstasy. And like always, we will see you out here on the high seas.